I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. Perfect. What's up, guys? Haven't seen you guys in a long time, but we're not gonna be working on the RSX today. We're gonna be hanging out and checking out this new car I picked up. So this right here is oh, she's chilly, really chilly. This is the Saturn Astra I picked up. Real good shape. Best car in the business. It's got low kilometers, 309, 412, and it's very clean, super clean, and it's manual shift. So I know that's not going to apply to a lot of people, and it's also got like this really good stuff. But yeah, a lot of you guys are asking me like, why don't I do anything with the Mazda? Well, take a look. It's friggin' stuck in the friggin', and this, look at this one. Yeah, that's like, I don't know, almost half the rim is engulfed in ice. That's why we're not doing anything with the Mazda right now. But yeah, this thing got no grill. It's got some stitching. We're just gonna get rid of it because, I mean, as you guys can see, it's taking up driveway space. So we're gonna get rid of this, but it is, oh man, they took the sticker off too, but that's okay. But yeah, this is my other RSX I have, and the reason why I bought the silver one is because I wanted to get a new hood for this and possibly a new bumper, but I didn't find it. So I ended up just getting some parts for this. This video is probably gonna come out first, so you're gonna see the what I done to the RSX so far. Trish, we gotta go. I'm gonna, get in the Saturn. I'm gonna move my car.
I'm not driving that.
No, I know. Just get in the Saturn in the passenger seat, and I'm gonna move my car out, and we're gonna go clean this beast. This stuff is good for any interior work. I also did this to fix my seats. So you just take your cardboard here, go like this. Perfect. That's how you fix it. And right here, that's how you fix that. And then take your finger and just get off any overspray. You're good to go. We're doing the first startup now. We're going to get this thing cleaned up because everybody that's buying this car, whoop, they want it clean. We parked on some ice, so it's gonna be hard to get out of here, I think. Maybe not. Woo! Yep, we made it, guys. Oh man. All the lights are coming on. That's what it's all about. Whoa.
What the fuck?
The brakes work really good. Yeah, we'll meet you guys over at the car wash. So we got here, use at your own risk. I don't know what's risky about using this, but we'll go ahead and use it at our own risk. And this, honestly guys, this is probably the cheapest. Oh, somebody left us some money. They tricked us, they stuck it under here. So we might want to get it, but we can't. If I can get it out, I get 25 cents off my car. Oh, yes. I get 25 cents off my car wash today. Boom. Oh shoot, almost. No! Alright, whatever. I'm gonna dig that out after, but we got a car wash we got to. So this is like the cheapest car wash in all of Canada. It's only $2.50, so we'll do that. $2.50, I'm gonna put my change here, because that's definitely what you wanna do. And right now, the key is when you're doing a car wash, put it right on wax, because it's gonna rinse, it's gonna soap, and it's gonna wax all together, so just skip right to the wax. Wow, it just took my... Dude, it's taking my nickels. Okay, we're not...
It says quarters only.
Oh! No!
Use your tuning that you have right there.
Yeah, oh, Trish! Now it's lost for good. Hold on, I'm gonna try and use my dime. I'm gonna try and use my dime.
It's not gonna work.
Wait, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try dimes. Wow, this thing just ripped me off. Trish, do you have 1 quarter?
No, I don't, but I have a bobby pin that I can probably get your stupid...
Trish got a bobby pin, so we're gonna work away at this and get this quarter. Look what I got, guys. I got it out. The key was I had to slide it all the way over, pull it out where somebody else stuck it. So I was gonna say 25 cents off a car wash, but I already let it eat my dimes and nickels, so it's not really a discounted car wash. but whatever. So we're gonna put this quarter in, see if it works. Boom, and now we're putting in our famous Tunney. And boom, let's wash. Guys, so that looks good. It's waxed, it's clean. You don't have to do all those steps. So, I mean, look at this footage of how like nice and clean it is. Also, I wanted to show you guys. Check this out. This right here, this is all ice. I just washed it, and look, that's how cold it is. It literally iced that quick. So, yeah, we're up in Canada. It gets cold. This ain't Connecticut where you get a little bit of slush. This is Canada where it's super cold. Now we're doing the next step. We're going over to a nice spot, taking some pictures, and we'll get this thing looking good. All right, guys, I'm gonna do this real quick because it's freezing out. Like, you can see the bay, you can see the car's already frozen. It's bad. I'm taking the pictures now. That's all we need to get, guys. And also, I'll probably get some interior pictures, but we don't need that right now. It's freaking freezing. Woo, it's freezing. I'm telling you guys, it was freezing out there, but we got the pictures taken. It was all comfy. We got what are you doing? We got everything that we needed. Now we're gonna enjoy some nice sushi. And Trish wanted me to pick her up a surprise.
Chocolate surprise. I thought he was gonna give me a chocolate.
And I picked her up the Kinder Surprise because she loves Kinder Surprise. And she calls Powerade Gatorade, which is really weird.
Hey, did you want to know something cool that one of my coworkers taught me?
Sure.
This ginger, because you know how you swallow it, right? You're actually not supposed to. What you're supposed to do is eat your sushi, take a little bit of ginger, put it in your mouth, chew it, and spit the ginger out, because then it'll be like every single bite of sushi is a new, like, fresh taste. You're not supposed to swallow it. Like, it's okay if you swallow it, but that's not what the purpose is for.
What's the purpose of the wasabi?
Clean your bowels? I don't know. Spiciness?
Do you even know what bowels are?
Yeah, it's your inside.
But yeah, so
I don't like either or of it.
So I got pretty much the Philadelphia roll, and that's not the Philadelphia roll. What'd you get? That's the Philadelphia roll because it's got the cream cheese on it. It looks pretty good. It's like wrapped with some nice, delicious salmon. And for those of you who don't know, this came from the sugar roll.
And then we got some miso soup.
Miso soup, seafood miso soup. I never tried seafood miso soup. Let's see it.
Oh.
Wait, that looks just like normal miso soup.
Oh, that smells good.
And for you guys who don't know what miso soup is, it's like it's like a soybean soup. So, and at Sugar Roll, mine came to $13. Trish came to $13.
It was cheap.
You get this, so 8 rolls, and you get a miso soup, and they also gave us cheesecake.
Yeah,
so,
while we were waiting, it was really nice.
Oh, and for those of you who don't...
They're very nice people.
Yeah, they are very nice. And for those of you who don't know, we got our fridge after this exact fridge. Funny story. This fridge right here, we ended up buying this fridge at Home Depot originally. And when Home Depot wanted to deliver it for an extra 50 bucks. Home Depot comes here with the fridge and said, oh, we can't make it up your stairs with the fridge. So we went down to another place. Yeah, I'll throw it in. It was Lounsbury's, and it was like $100 more for the fridge, which, okay, and then they had another delivery. I think the delivery was like 80 bucks, whatever. And Loungeberries was able to get the exact same fridge up the stairs. So that's ridiculous how some people think that they can't get it up. And we actually had to buy the fridge from somewhere else. Check it out, it's not super full right now because it's actually full. That's all my drinks. Yeah, I still got the moonshine from the moonshine video and stuff, but yeah, this fridge is huge. Like all this stuff that you see here made our old fridge packed. Now it's like empty. And we got it at 33 refrigerator and the freezer at -6, so we're good. So you always got to put this one in first because it opens up this little door, and then this side doesn't, and then you shut it. But yeah, like that. Honestly, the new fridge goes really good with everything. It's huge. It's like, it sticks out about, geez, about half, almost a foot more than our other one. But that, it really makes the kitchen look good, and it's huge. So we got the fridge, we got a microwave, and right now the dishwasher and stove are working fine. And Trish gonna eat her sushi, I'm gonna eat my sushi, and we're gonna, after we're done eating our sushi, we're gonna head out to, we're gonna see the new Kenny's, see if they're open and stuff. So we'll meet you there when we get to Kenny's. Guys, I just got out of the old cage where we just went through to Kenny's, the new Kenny's here in Moncton, because we wanted to get some car parts. Good news, they're open Monday to Sunday, 9 to 5. So if you guys are the ones that work Monday to Friday, come Saturday and Sunday, they got all the goodies here. I guess that's the office for where they pull the parts out. But yeah, they got all this tow truck stuff. I guess that's where they like tear the cars down. And then right here, this is where if you want to sell your car to Kenny's and it's not bad enough to salvage, you can post it there. And then that's a little warming hut. But yeah, this gate right here, funny story. Well, Kenny's used to be a gravel pit. And then when we were in the gravel pit, we were out back, and after hours, they closed that gate. So me and my friend, we actually had to jack the gate up with my tire jack. So it would come off of the post, flop it over, and we were able to get the car out. But yeah, just times have changed. But yeah, that's it right there. They're open, and the sign is flapping in the wind. You can't really read it, but it's kennyupole.com. What it is you come here, you bring all your tools except any tools that'll create sparks, like no grinders, nothing like that. You pay $5 to get inside the yard, and once you're inside, you take off what parts you want, and they're ridiculously cheap. Maybe it's like a pick apart if you're in the States. I don't really know, but yeah, that's what it is. Like, you go on the website, kennyupole.com, Moncton location, any other location. I've been to the other one that's in Nova Scotia, and it's cheap. It's really cheap. So that's where I'm going to get a lot of parts for the build. Maybe to have some RSX parts in there. Not 100% sure, but and also they updated. The guy said this summer they're going to have over 1,300 cars. So there's going to be a lot of stuff, and I don't think a lot of people around here are a lot of do-it-yourselfers. So that's just going to be prime pickings for all JDM parts, Japanese parts, whatever. We're going to have a good time. Have a big time. Trish just sucking because I said she was not being a good camera lady.
I'm not sucking, I'm enjoying my Starbucks.
And Trish thought I told her that she was being a bad camera lady, but...
And I told him not to get me to videotape anymore, so there.
No, that's not true. But the thing is, guys, it's going to be so good, it's going to be better than Trish when she drinks her Starbucks.
Yep.
How good, Trish?
Real good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how good is that Starbucks?
That's about a...
Yep.
like an 8.
And I also got a dash cam, so I can see like everything in the front of my car, but not in the rear, right, Trish?
Right.
And I got some Starbucks. I got the beef jerky. Hey, car for sale. Right there. Boom. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, having a good time. This isn't really anything of a day other than a chill out, a vlog day. We gotta get that car moved, gone, whatever you want to do. If you guys need parts for a Saturn Astra, I'll sell you some parts, ship, whatever. It's just Saturn Astras are becoming rare, so it almost is a good idea to like just get rid of it whole. But I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments down below. And I'm still following behind this friggin' bread truck. Actually, we're gonna have to pass this bread truck right now. Friggin' bread truck. Right now, I'm drinking my Starbucks. Good time. That's what it's all about. But I think right now, guys, we'll see you next time. I think the more you guys are subscribing and commenting and motivating me, the more I'm gonna try and urge to put out more than one video a week. But as always, I'm gonna put out a video a week, but I'm gonna try and put out more than just one video a week, but 100% guaranteed one video a week. So I'm not like lying to you if I'm saying like I'm trying to put out the videos, okay? Just let me know what you guys like, and if you guys don't like seeing the car content and stuff, please let me know. Preferably in a nice way, but let me know. With all due respect, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for seeing it till the end. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.